builds today. Got something new for you today. Well, first off, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers. Please keep hitting the like button, leaving comments. I always say I got the best subscribers on YouTube, so thank you very much. I appreciate it. Today we got a new snow machine I built. It's a Toro groundsmaster. I've been wanting to build one of these for a long time. I wanted to build something that was cheap, easy to use for snow plowing, with the zero turn capability and the hydraulic arm up front. This thing works great. I'll do a walk around, show you what I did real quick, and then we'll get to some plowing. So I picked the Toro up itself for a really good deal. It's got a 70-inch deck, front mount deck that runs off a drive shaft. It does have a hydraulic arm right here that raises and lowers it. So what I got the plow. It was for a riding mower. We picked it up for 30 bucks. I did do some fabricating with some metal. I had to make a bracket for it to go on there. And then that arm just raises it up and down. Super cheap, super functional. This thing's a beast. We put some ATV tires on it. It's got a 4-cylinder Continental engine in it. So far, I have a Yanmar tractor. I got brand new Husqvarna snow thrower. This thing works great. It's a lot faster. It's hydrostatic, zero turn, so it just makes quick work out of driveways. We'll take it down there right now and show you some footage of it in action. All right, guys, let's see this thing in action. Alright guys, you can see this thing makes quick work of a driveway. Took me all maybe 3 minutes, I don't know. The good thing with this hydraulic arm is it's got a float mode. You can drop this down, it lowers on its own, but it'll float with the terrain up and down. So it's perfect for homeowner driveways. Doesn't tear up the gravel, it doesn't catch on stuff for the most part. Awesome machine. I highly recommend anybody that's got one of these turn it into a snow remover machine. I do know they make snow blower attachments for the front, but they're super costly. This plow setup cost me 30 bucks and a little bit of time to fabricate it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps. Stay tuned. God bless.